And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, traders and students all around the world. This is FXPassion broadcasting you live on YouTube, and this is Forex Trading Course 101. If this is your first time, everybody, what are we trying to do here? We are trying to build the three pillars. Pillar number one is the strategy and or system. Pillar number two is the risk management, and pillar number three is the psychology part. And talking about psychology, what do champion beginner traders say? And I have an echo, right? So, but at least we can hear each other, right? So what do champion beginner traders say? Champion beginner traders say, I am not going to live and die on a trade by trade basis. And of course, this is a quote from Mark Douglas, and I have my own quote here on the left. When the market scares you, don't be afraid to do the right thing. Right? When we lose and we lose and we lose again and we draw down again, right? Don't be afraid to do the right thing. What is the right thing to do? The right thing is to obey the strategy, obey the rules, obey the concepts. Listen to FXPassion, you know, if you want. And we are trying to do this, everybody, with all of this stuff in here. Basic module, beginner, intermediate. So, talking about candlestick formations, we are still in the beginner module, everybody. Okay, today we are going to address bullish candlestick formations in an uptrend, right? And remember, 90% of traders lose money in the Forex market worldwide. The webinars are not trading or investment advice, everybody. The webinars are for educational purposes only. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And for homeworks or questions, you have my Gmail contact, my Skype contact, and you can follow me on, not Instagram, but TradingView. Hello Allah, how are you? That being said, everybody, let's try to find USD JPY, right? Let's open USD JPY, I believe. Let's try to open USD JPY. 15-minute chart, what do you say? 15-minute chart. So let's get rid of Canada JPY, Euro dollar, CHF JPY. Delete this one, and let's open USD JPY. USD, so USD JPY, right? And let's go on the 15-minute chart, everybody. USD JPY 15-minute chart. And where is the picture? I need the bullish candlestick formation here on the left. Okay, 15-minute chart. And just give you a second. Okay, so trend lines, right? This would be the trend line. Okay, so starting from here, vertical line, starting from here, you know, counter trend line break, you know, starting from here, then we are going to address the bullish. Remember, everybody, the rules, right? I'm going to buy and I'm never going to sell. Bullish candlestick formation in an uptrend. Okay? Hello Zuelius, how are you? So that being said, everybody, 15-minute chart, uptrend line. Who in here wants to enter long on this? What would this be? Would this be piercing line, or would this be the bullish engulfing candle? What do you think, everybody? And let's make a trading exercise today. Do you want to scalp the market, or do you want to trade the pattern? What's the difference? We can put the stop loss in two different levels, okay? So let's write this down. Okay, so scalpers, stop loss on the CF candlestick formation, BCF bullish candlestick formation, okay? Swing traders, stop loss on the up trend line. Okay, so Alan Zuelius, what is your trading style? What do you prefer? And everybody else? SL Tari, if you're here. Engulfing. Tari, what is your style? Do you want to be a scalper today or do you want to be a swing trader? Everybody? We can do both, sure. Just different stop loss levels. There is no right or wrong, everybody. Those are different strategies, different styles that are according to your personality. Make sense? Not everybody is a scalper, not everybody is a swing trader. And we are trading on the 15-minute chart. Zuelius says swing, okay, your stop loss is going to go below the uptrend line. Are there any scalpers in here? Okay, in the meantime, everybody, let's check the next one. So this is the candlestick formation, retracement, right? Okay, now 1, 2, 3, one more. So counter trend line break. Who wants to enter in here? What would this be? This white candle. Retracement, sideways movement, counter trend line break, and bam. As well as both. Tari says swing trader, okay. You can make both, yes sir. Now everybody, especially the beginner traders, you can do this practice. We can put the stop loss below the candles and the stop loss below the uptrend line, but you cannot be both styles. Okay? Or you are a swing trader predominantly, or you are a scalper predominantly. Talking about personality traits, everybody. Okay? If you think that, oh, I'm a scalper and I'm a day trader and I'm a swing trader, doesn't work this way. Everybody has a predominant style. Like, okay, I'm a 70% example, right? I'm a 70% swing trader and I'm 30%, I'm divided 15%, I'm a news trader, and the 15% I'm a day trader, you know, whatever the combination. So I am predominantly a swing trader. I cannot be a scalper, everybody. Does this make sense to you? If you have a scalping strategy and you have a day trading strategy and you have a swing trading strategy, choose one that is compatible with your personality. What does this mean? You are not a swing trader, everybody, or maybe not that you are not, but it's going to be difficult for me and you. It's going to be difficult for us to be a swing trader if we don't have patience. This is a personality trait. Make sense? If we don't have patience, we cannot be a swing trader on the 4-hour chart, because we are going to suffer. Make sense? On the other side, we cannot be scalpers if we are not strong in our decision making. Everybody? Scalpers don't hesitate. Does this make sense to you? Okay, so think about your personality traits, everybody, and choose. If you have different strategies, choose one. Swing trader, scalper, day trader, intraday, whatever the name. Okay. So let's move forward. 1, 2, 3, right? 1, 2, 3. Now one more. Engulfing. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so what about this one, everybody? Counter trend line break. Counter trend line break. What is this one? What is this white candle? Question number 1, what is this candle? Number 2, would you enter in here? And you had a homework, everybody. Remember, decide if you are going to use candlestick formations. Okay? Decide if you are going to use candlestick formation as a part of your strategy. Make sense? Zuelio says yes. Okay, very good. He would enter. Okay, now let's see what this is going to happen. So next up. What about this one? What is this called? 1, 2, 3. Those 3 candles, everybody. What is this called? 1, 2, 3. The first one is the bullish engulfing. Look at the picture, everybody. Right? Look at the picture and try to identify. The first one is the bullish engulfing. What is the second one? The picture is showing you theory. This is the live market. What is the second one? Is this the second one, the bullish morning star, the bullish piercing line, the tweezer bottom, bullish shooting star? And remember, everybody, I have a 20 seconds delay on the chat. Morning star, very good. Yes, sir. Okay, now 1, 2. Let's see. What about this one? What the third one? 1, 2, 3. So yes, this was a morning star. What about those 1, 2, 3? Or those 2? Is this maybe a bullish shooting star, everybody? Maybe yes, maybe no, right? So piercing line, more of a morning star as well, use the first one, because you have bearish, you have undecision candle, and then you have decision, so it's the morning star. Okay, I would say that's a morning star, not a piercing line. Oh yes, but the bullish candle, it's over than 60%. Yes, but you have the undecision candle in the middle too. Make sense? And 1, 2, 3. What about this one, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's move the circle. Those 4 candles, what would this be, everybody? Shooting star. Yes, shooting star, and sideways, right? Sideways and bam, right? One more time. Bullish engulfing candle in here. And the market was rallying, you know. The market's moving up, right? Moving up, down, 1, 2. What about in here? Who in here would enter in those 2? Blue and white. Is this a bullish candlestick formation, everybody? This is one of the trickiest one. Is this a bullish? Is this a bullish candlestick? Those two, the white with the long wick. Is this a bullish candlestick formation, everybody? Yes or no? What do you think? You have the body of the blue candle and you have the body of the white candle. The white candle ate 1, 2, 3 candles from before, but it has a long wick on the upside. Would you say that this is a bullish engulfing candle, everybody? Look at the picture, you know. And don't be shy, you know. There is no right or wrong. We are here to learn. Also remember that I have a 20 seconds delay on the chat. Yes, the blue and the white. Is this a bullish candlestick formation? You can say yes, you can say no, you can say I don't know. Bullish engulfing? No sir, everybody. This is not a bullish candlestick formation. Oh, but the body, you need to understand the wicks and bodies, everybody. Okay, so this white candle here, it's not a bullish candlestick formation. Okay, what would happen? No, exactly, right? This is not. Oh, but the market went up. It doesn't matter. This is not a bullish candlestick formation. You need to get straight in your head, everybody. You know. Now this was, yes, piercing line, maybe bullish engulfing candle. Let's see the next one. Bullish engulfing, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see. One more. We want to see a counter trend line break before moving on. Okay, everybody, so here is the question, right? Here is the question. Would you enter in here? If we are using candlestick formations as entry signals, you know, would you enter in here? Circle. Because sometimes, everybody, there is going to be a counter trend line break. Okay, so let's learn something today. So, you know, strategy forming, you know. Number one, if we choose to use candlestick formations as an entry signal, and we have a CTB counter trend line break but no candlestick formations, we should not enter. Make sense, everybody? When we are forming our strategy, and this is an example, you know, if we choose to use candlestick formations as an entry signal and we have a counter trend line break but no candlestick formations, we should not enter. Oh, but it's a counter trend line break. Yes, it is. Make sense, everybody? So, if not this, where is the entry? Well, talking about candlestick formations, this was the entry. 1, 2, 3. Bullish shooting star. Makes sense? So when we are forming our strategy, you know, so strategy forming, if we choose to use candlestick formation plus counter trend line break, we need to see both in order to enter the market. If not, we are breaking the rules. Remember when I said when the market scares you, don't be afraid to do the right thing? This is it. If my strategy is saying, everybody, I'm going to use counter trendline breaks and candlestick formations, you know, then I need to see both in order to enter the market. If I'm entering without both, I'm breaking the rules. And this is a skill. Obeying rules, everybody, of your strategy of choice, it's a skill. Make sense? So far, as you can see, everybody, so far every trade was a winner, even though, right? If we would put the stop loss scalping, right? If every trade was a scalp, right? So going back to the beginning, so scalper would win here, swing trader 2, 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 and we are here right now. Okay, so this would be a trade we would not take, but the next looks like engulfing. Yes, exactly. Can we enter in the next bullish? Everybody, you can do anything you want, but it must be according to the rules. One more that is going to make difference. So strategy forming, I am going to use candlestick formation plus counter trendline break at end of retracements, end of retracements, or I'm going to use CTB plus candlestick formation. See how this is going to be different right now? Those are two different entry strategies, everybody. If I'm going to use candlestick formations plus counter trendline break at the end of retracement, I cannot enter in here. Make sense, everybody? I cannot enter. I would be breaking my rules. But on the other side, if my strategy, my entry strategy is saying I'm going to use counter trendline break plus candlestick formations with no other rules, then I can enter. Oh, passion, what is best? There is no right or wrong, it's up to you. It's up to you how you are going to define your strategy, everybody. Make sense? So, Zuelius, can we enter in the next? If your strategy, if your rules are without the end of retracement, then the answer is yes. If you say I'm going to enter only end of retracement, then the answer would be no. Make sense, everybody? And there is no right or wrong. So today we are going also to learn, everybody, even though that we are buying bullish candlestick formations in an uptrend, there is going to be a period of time then we need to pay attention. If not, we are going to lose. What is this period of time called? Remember the previous lessons, everybody? Rule: I'm going to buy and never sell bullish candlestick formations in an uptrend. So we are in an uptrend, low, high, low, high, right? Do we agree, everybody? We are in an uptrend. We're in an uptrend, higher highs, higher lows, right? Change color, something like this. So what is the period of time called when we are going to start losing, and we need to be careful not to give to the market back our profits? What is this period called, everybody? So from here, let's change colors from orange, right? From here to here, we are going to start losing our candlestick formation. We are still in an uptrend, right? What is this period called? Retracement, exactly. Okay, so when we are talking about forming the strategy, everybody, and here star, pay attention when the short-term trend changes. Okay? Selling retracement, no. Tari, no. Not for the beginner traders. Okay, beginner traders, don't sell the retracement. You are not skilled enough. Okay, I mean, you can accept what we're teaching, you can reject, you know. So, oh, I'm going to sell the retracement. Okay, not a problem, you know. Everybody, does this make sense to you? If you are going to sell the retracement, if you are going to go short on the retracement, you are breaking the rules, you know. The red line, the trend is still up. Oh, but the market's making lower lows, lower highs. The trend line is showing you what is the market doing. And if you are going to short the market, when the retracement comes, you are going to burn yourself. Okay? No, this is not wrong. It's just, it's not suitable for the beginner trader. Does this make sense to you, everybody? Beginner trader should not sell in retracement. Yes. Okay? Beginner traders, be patient. Okay? Now let's see how this is going to move. So down, 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 right? What? Whoa, finally, right? What is this called? Finally we got one. Tweezer bottoms, right? Tweezer bottoms. Right? So this is tweezer bottoms, everybody, and here the scalper would lose. Right? The scalper would lose here. And falling down. 1, 2, 3. Okay, what is this one? What is this one? 1, 2, 3, everybody. The picture is showing you the theory. This is the live market. Which candlestick formation would this be? 1, 2, 3. Blue, bearish. In the middle there is an undecision doji. And on the right it's the bullish candle. Is this a bullish, everybody, is this a bullish candlestick formation? Who would enter this one, right? So clone here. There you go, clone here, stop loss below the candles. Right? And morning star, yes sir. Sideways, right? Sideways, moving up. and 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Let's wait for the next one. Bullish piercing line, right? So scalper would win this one. Clone, piercing line, going up, sideways, sideways, down. So bullish candlestick formation here, bullish candlestick formation here, right? So scalpers would lose 1 2 3. What about this one? 1 2 3 4. Is this a bullish candlestick formation, everybody? This is a difficult one, right? Passion, I'm not sure. Well, when in doubt, stay out. If you are not sure about this, if this is or not a bullish shooting star, because on the picture it should be a white candle, this is blue, just stay out. But let's say that yes, okay, it's a bullish candlestick formation, and there you go, right? The market went up and up and down, right? 1 2 3. What about this one? News announcement, right? Would you buy this one, everybody? Is this a bullish candlestick formation? Yeah, don't worry, everybody. I have a 20 seconds delay on the chat, not a problem. Okay. No, this is not a bullish candlestick formation. No, it's not a piercing line. It's not an engulfing. So this is a no, everybody, right? And let's compress the chart. Let's compress the chart. I want to show you something, everybody. Just give me a second. So scalpers, right? Scalpers. Why are we losing here, right? This would be a loser. So scalpers, right? We lost 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Where is this? Would be maybe, not the perfect one. 1 2 3 4 tweezer bottoms, those two. Why are we losing here, scalpers? See, everybody, this is the lesson today. Even though there is no right or wrong, even though there is no right or wrong, okay, if you would buy, because we don't have the crystal ball, if we have a difficult time identifying, let's put this down, if we have a difficult time identifying the change in the short-term trend, if we would buy here, let's make this green, okay, if we would buy here unaware that we are in a up retracement and buy here bullish candlestick formations and buy in here the bullish candlestick formation, scalpers would lose. Make sense, everybody? And swing traders would not lose. Passion, why not? Because the swing trader would put the stop loss or on the market wave, or it would go together with the uptrend line. Make sense, everybody? Hello, Husnaini, how are you? There is no right or wrong in doing so, but scalpers, when the short-term trend changes, when the market goes from extension to a retracement, scalpers and intraday are going to start to lose if they are not quick enough or skilled enough. Okay? No, I'm not. I'm not judging anybody, come on, you know, it's about the skill. If I'm a scalper and if I'm not skilled enough to identify the change in the short-term trend, then most likely I'm going to lose. If I'm an intraday trader and I'm not skilled enough, talking about candlestick formations entries, then I'm going to lose. So the swing trader in this sense have a easier way. Let's use the word easy, you know. Less hard work, right? Oh, so swing trading is better? Not necessary. A swing trader, if he or she is going to lose this entry, which is called end of retracement, everybody. If the swing trader is going to lose this entry, end of the retracement, he should wait for the next one where scalpers and intraday can enter a few times. Scalper intraday would enter here, enter here, enter here. Make sense? We cannot generalize, everybody. Oh, swing trader is better than scalper, or scalper is better than swing trader, or intraday trader is the best, you know. All of these different strategies, all of these different trading style has the pros and the cons. Make sense? Make sense, everybody? So your homework for today would be check your charts and try to identify extension, retracement, extension, and make sense of how would you trade the different candlestick formations. Okay? And this is where we are telling you, everybody, you are going to lose time to time. You know, you are going to buy a bullish candlestick formation at the end of extension. Me too, we are all the same. This is going to be a loser. And those losers are okay, everybody. No, I'm not. Don't generalize. I'm not saying that it's okay to lose. I'm just telling you that we all have losing trades time to time. Okay, everybody. So, in conclusion for today. Today is what? Monday, Tuesday. Next level number 1. If you want quicker results and not waste 2, 3, 4 years to figure out the market, everybody, ask for private lessons of the Forex Course 101. Time is an issue. Why would you waste it? Okay, tomorrow we're going to talk about the next level number 2, next level number 3, and next level number 4. Okay, study the charts. Watch this lesson a few times, everybody, and start building your strategy. Okay, strategy forming. You have 1, 2, 3 things that can help you to understand different entries, you know, and learn how to obey the rules. Like, I'm going to use candlestick formations plus the counter trendline break at the end of the retracement. This is not an entry anymore. But if you would use this without this rule, end of the retracement, this would be an entry. Okay, everybody, our time is up. See you back tomorrow. Until tomorrow, stay strong and trade with passion. This is